Growth is crucial as an entrepreneur. One method that has worked for almost every successful entrepreneur is reading. There is a ton of information readily available in books. Here are 5 business books that you should read at least once. 1. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is a classic and it's a great book. It will teach you how to make people like you, how to win people over, just basically how to sway people in a positive way. The second book is The 4 Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. Now be sure to get the expanded and updated version of this book. The whole idea of this book is to teach you how to work less and live more, hence the reason of escaping your 9 to 5 to live anywhere and, of course, make the amount of money that you'd like. The third book is Start With Why by Simon Sinek. This book is extremely popular because it helps you dig into your true purpose for doing whatever it is that you do. And it helps you to answer questions why, like why some people and organizations are more innovative or influential and profitable. This book will help you dig deeper for your purpose for doing what you do. The fourth book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is another extremely popular book because it helps you understand the difference of how people think that are middle class versus those who are wealthy. This is a book that I feel that every entrepreneur should read because it's going to help you realize what type of mindset you have. The fifth book is The E Myth Revisited: Why Most Small Businesses Don't Work and What to Do About It. And that's by Michael E. Gerber. This particular book is going to help you understand how to work on your business and not so much in your business. And of course, it's a process. So it kind of walks you through that process from infancy to a successful business. This book is a must read.